Alright, I'm just gonna do a short video here for you guys because I saw one online that just made me shake my head. Alright, for those of you who don't know, if you don't have the manual that came with your car, I'll get into that. I'll throw a link up. There's like a million ways to get a free full copy of any car's manual in PDF form. So check for that link in the comments. And yeah, let's get started here real quick. So right here, I'm going to be blocking this out a bit later, but driver's side, Dodge Charger, your VIN number is right there, you can see it through the glass. You can write it down, then you go check online, make sure there's no recalls. Even new cars have recalls. If you get something done that was supposed to be a recall, you should be able to get it reimbursed. Secondly, if you're gonna go around fucking with your fuses, I'm just guessing, if you just open it up all the way, it actually tells you what every fucking fuse does. So yeah, there's that. And those little yellow things there, those are to grip the fuses. That's why they're there. Little example. Oh, these are hard to get. Oh, let's try this way. Oh, that was easy. Alright, and yeah, simple shit 101.